Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove Business Portfolio on Facebook Meta Business Suite. To begin, open Facebook in your web browser and make sure you're logged into the account that has access to the Business Portfolio you want to remove. Starting from Facebook is helpful because it gives you a direct path into the correct business tools without needing to search around manually. Once you're on Facebook, look to the left side navigation area and click the page connected to the business setup you want to work with. In this example, it's a sample page, but you'll simply choose the page that applies to your account. This step helps make sure you're entering Meta Business Suite from the right place. After that, click on Meta Business Suite. This will open the business management area where portfolios, pages, and settings can be managed. Depending on your account, the page may take a moment to load, so give it a few seconds if needed. When Meta Business Suite opens, go to the top left corner and click the Page or Business drop-down menu. This drop-down lets you switch between different business assets, so it's important to use it carefully and confirm you're selecting the correct portfolio before making any changes. From that drop-down, select the portfolio you want to remove. Take a moment here to verify that you're in the right portfolio, especially if you manage more than one. Deleting the wrong one can create extra work later, so it's worth double-checking before moving on. Next, click on Settings. This is where Meta Business Suite keeps the more advanced controls for the selected business portfolio. If you don't immediately see everything on the screen, you may need to wait for the Settings page to fully load. Once you're inside Settings, look to the top right and click Permanently Delete. This is the option used to remove the business portfolio. Before you confirm anything, read the on-screen prompts carefully. Permanent deletion usually means the action cannot be easily undone, so make sure you fully understand what will happen to any connected business assets before proceeding. And that's it. By going from Facebook into your page, opening Meta Business Suite, selecting the correct portfolio, entering Settings, and choosing Permanently Delete, you can remove a business portfolio from Meta Business Suite. If the delete option doesn't appear, it may be due to account permissions or because certain assets still need attention first.